The last thing any of us want to do after making a meal is to clean up a bunch of pots and pans. That's probably why sheet pan cooking has become so popular. If you're not familiar with it, today's recipe will introduce you to the concept. It's a recipe that's perfect for any time of day, including brinner. Well, that's when you serve breakfast for dinner. We start by cutting a hole in the center of 6 slices of country-style or sourdough bread. We butter one side and place it butter side down on a baking sheet. Next, we crack an egg into each hole and sprinkle it with some Parmesan cheese and a bit of salt and pepper. All that's left to do now is bake them until the eggs are cooked just the way you like them.
Ooh.
Once they're done, we'll top them with some crumbled bacon along with some sliced scallions. That's it. Whether you serve this for a hearty breakfast or a fun change of pace brinner, you're going to love how all the flavors and textures come together. If you'd like to try the recipe for our sheet pan toad in a hole, simply visit our website. I'm Howard with Hungry Kelly in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found an easy breezy way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.
That's delicious.